Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun.
Hi, and welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today is day 5 of Dilmas. Yay! Today I will be telling you about a Bath and Body Works deal. So I got an email, and it's very important to sign up for Bath and Body Works email list if you are a Bath and Body Works customer, because they are having a lot of deals ever since around Black Friday, a little bit before. They've been having a deal pretty much every day, and they just have a lot of deals around holiday times and deals throughout the year. But today they have a $5 aromatherapy plus $10 off of a $30 purchase, and it's going to last for 2 days only. So the aromatherapy is a newer product, I guess, line that they have. So with this deal, it says $10 off of any $30 purchase. So you don't have to limit yourself to the aromatherapy, but if you do get the aromatherapy, you can get $10 off if you spend $30 worth in the aromatherapy. In the aromatherapy collection, they have the body wash and foam bath, body lotion, and they have candles. I currently own a focus candle, which I love, and I have the sleep body wash and foam bath, the dark gray one or black one, not this one. But I have not used it yet, so I don't know the effects of that, but I do love my focus candle. I feel more focused when I light it. I don't know if it's just a mind thing or not, but I just like the smell, and I think that these are really good buys, which is why I'm featuring it for day 5 of Dilmas. But like I say, it's only 2 days, and it says select aromatherapy body care. So some items are not included apparently. Plus you can get the $10 off of the 30, like I said before. But they also have been just doing the $10 off of 30, it looks like, because that ends today in store and online. So if you don't want to get the aromatherapy, you can definitely still use the $10 off of 30. The online code for the $10 off of 30 is snowed in, SNOWEDIN, if you want to use that. But let's go ahead and click on the $5 select aromatherapy. My goal is to try to see what is available in this deal. So as you can see, as soon as I pull this page up, Ebates popped up because they partner with Bath and Body Works. So definitely take advantage of signing up with Ebates, and you can get $10 automatically if you use my link in the description to sign up for Ebates. And you link your first card, you will get $10 automatically, and then you can also get 1% cash back on your purchase if you choose to take advantage of anything on the Bath and Body Works website. I'm going to go ahead and activate later because I don't plan on making a purchase right now. But as you can see, they say it ends today, the $10 off of the $30 purchase. And there is the code, like I was telling you before. So if we scroll down, you can see what they have available in the aromatherapy. Now, I've smelled the eucalyptus and spearmint wallflower. My dad loves that scent. It's pretty good. I've smelled the comfort candle, and I like it. It's not my favorite though. I preferred the focus candle, and so I actually went and exchanged my comfort candle for a focus candle and my comfort body wash for a sleep body wash, the black chamomile one. But I haven't used it yet, so I can't comment on whether it does a good job with that. But I would imagine that that it does, because I do like my focus candle a lot. So as you can see, they're all marked down from $15.50 to $5, and they have quite a bit to choose from. And this is the sleep body wash and foam bath that I own, the black chamomile. Oh, and I also have the body lotion. I forgot I do have the body lotion as well. And I like the focus candle so much that I'm thinking I may get another one. But so far I'm not seeing the candles on here, so I'm wondering if they are excluded from this. Probably. Peppermint. I wonder how that one smells. They definitely have a lot more on here than what I saw when I went in store and bought probably a month ago. So as you can see, I'm not seeing any candles on here, and I'm looking on the left hand side to see if I see anything about candles, and I'm not seeing anything. So the candles aren't included, unfortunately, but you could still get the candle and a couple of the aromatherapies and then get $10 off. So kind of balances out having to pay for the candle. But they also have some other offers going on besides the $5 off of the select aromatherapy body care. They have the buy three get two free select body care, the buy two get one free face mask, buy two get one free CO Bigelow, whatever that may be. And it says something about 312.50 select travel size. Let's click on that and see what they're referring to here. I haven't bought any travel size Bath and Body Works in, since early 2000s, so I'm a little bit out of touch with that, so I'm not understanding what they're saying. You can get 3 different ones, I guess, and it'll cost you $12.50. How much do they cost originally? Okay, so you're pretty much like getting one for free because it looks like they're $6.50 a piece and a little bit of a discount on the second one as well. But for me, the travel size would be no good because it wouldn't last very long for me. So I don't generally get the travel size items, but they always have the buy 3 of the collection items and then you get 3 for free. So I generally rack up on that. And also when they have their, I think it's semi-annual sale, you can get stuff for really low. And then also the retired scents are available as well. They bring them back in the store, which most everything that I like from Bath and Body Works is retired. There's only like 1 or maybe 2 scents that they still keep in store. So our aromatherapy items are very popular right now. So I definitely wanted to share that with you all. And I do feel like they actually work. And I hope you all can take advantage of this. Once again, my name is Ashley. You've been watching Dollars and Cents Online, and I will see you in the next Dilma's video.